Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are here to share easy and tasty tomato chutney. It is an ideal side dish for morning breakfast recipes like South Indian dosa, steamed idli or chapathi, but can also be served with rice. It is extremely simple and quick to make with basic ingredients easily available in every kitchen. Let's get started with the preparation. Firstly, let's take 6 tomatoes and chop them. As this chutney is made into a fine paste, we need not cut these tomatoes into very small pieces. We can cut into half and this can be into big cubes. Add half tablespoon of oil to the bowl and add tomatoes. Add half teaspoon methi or fenugreek seeds. Now add half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Tomato starts to release juice from it. Now cover it and let it again cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, tomatoes are softened and cooked. Let this tomato mixture is cool down completely. This tamarind juice is from small lemon sized tamarind. We will use this juice while grinding. Now tomato mixture is completely cooled. Now let's blend everything. We can see it is completely blended into a fine paste. Now let's add tempering to it. Place the bowl, add half tablespoon of oil, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon chena seeds or chena dal and half teaspoons urad dal. Let the tempering be splattered. Now add few curry leaves. After adding curry leaves, let's add finely chopped garlic. Mix everything. Now add fine tomato paste. Mix well. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes in simmer. After 3 minutes, easy and tasty tomato chutney is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your favorite breakfast. This chutney tastes great with idli, dosa, chapathi, rice, as well as many instant recipes like instant RAVA Appam. There are multiple breakfast recipes in our channel. Do check the links in the description below. You can try out instant RAVA Appam or Appe or Schezwan dosa, Podi dosa and many other breakfast recipes. Do check the links in the description below. Please try out this chutney and do let us know your valuable comments. We hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Also, hit the bell icon so that you are notified instantly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.